Welcome to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delicious homemade strawberry chocolate icing cake. It's a perfect combination of rich chocolate and the freshness of strawberries. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ a teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, fresh strawberries for decoration. For the chocolate icing, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, extra fresh strawberries for garnish. Let's move on to the preparation. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix these dry ingredients together. In another bowl, add the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix these wet ingredients until well combined. Now, gradually add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, mixing as you go. Once combined, slowly stir in the boiling water. Place them in the oven and bake for 30–35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool completely before icing. Preparation: chocolate icing. While the cakes are cooling, let's prepare our chocolate icing. In a mixing bowl, beat the butter until it's creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar and cocoa powder while continuing to beat the mixture. Pour in the heavy cream and vanilla extract. Now, it's time to assemble our cake. Place 1 cake layer on a plate or cake stand. Spread a generous amount of chocolate icing on top. Add a layer of freshly sliced strawberries. Carefully place the second cake layer on top. Use the remaining chocolate icing to frost the top and sides of the cake. Now, for the finishing touch, decorate the top with more fresh strawberries. You can cut them in half or leave them whole, depending on your preference. And there you have it, a homemade strawberry chocolate icing cake. Absolutely delicious and perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delightful cake. If you try this recipe, let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you very much, strawberry decorate chocolate icing cake lovers.